everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vidya from Millennial Mommyhood, and in my today's video I'm going to show you how I'm going to renovate this part of the room. Okay, so that part of the room earlier used to look like this with all the stickers, and I was really happy about it. But then there was something which was coming into my mind, and something that I had since a real long time, but I was confused because the things that were again available in the market were like way too pricey. So finally I bought few things from Amazon which were like pretty affordable, and I went with it, and I'm just waiting to get it fixed, and I'll show you how it looks. So if you're wondering what I'm talking about, I'm talking about a wall bookshelf. So you would have seen so many kinds of bookshelves that can be fixed into the wall, where the books are kept slanting, and child can take something which is there at the bottom part, and it's okay if something is there at the top part also, but it looks good when the books are arranged like that, and I really wanted one for the room. So I was going through Amazon and IKEA and other options, and I felt they were way too pricey, and I didn't feel the need of buying that because my mind keeps on changing, and I love to keep on bringing new things and removing old things from the room, and investing on something like that was not something which I felt that was needed. So finally I was thinking that what could be done, what could be something else which can be a bit cheaper than what I'm looking for, or something which can serve the purpose but at a little bit affordable rate. And finally I came across a picture displays. So this is how the picture displays looks like, and this is the exact thing that I bought. The details of this will be there in my description box, you can go and check it out. So if you are planning to buy they come in two types. They come in 100 centimeter and 50 centimeter. So when I measured the area that I have, 100 centimeter would have taken the whole space. I wanted only 50 centimeter because I wanted like a long column of books, some of the books which he can read, some of the books which will be on top which I can give, because anyhow I do book rotation. I keep 2 to 3 books on his shelf every week, and there are other books also which he can reach. So just for that feel good factor, I wanted to have a column, and my plan is to have a rainbow arrangement of books. Like first sort the books according to their colors and have a rainbow arrangement. So I wanted 6 or 5 shelves. So this one comes in 3 sets, so I got 2, but still the price was not so high, like even if I'm buying 2. So I'll show you how it looks. So this is how it looks, and you can see there are 6 of them. I will take one and I'll show it to you. So this is how one looks like, this is how it is. So a lot of books can come, because anyhow we are putting it through the length, and I'm going to sort it according to colors, and there are 6 of them, so it will not take a lot of space and it will fit into it. And if there is anything extra, I can keep it away also. That's perfectly fine, because I know I invest in a lot of books, and this one shelf is not enough. Not this one shelf, not in any other shelf. I will need at least 2 of them to be completely filled with book in future also. So for now I'm starting with this, and if I want I can add more, I can buy more, and add more in future. Now that totally depends on how I'm planning to, but for now this looks so chic and so cute and cool. So basically it comes with these 2 holes where you can put those nails, and you can fix it to the wall. Though I don't have a drilling machine or anything, I'm just waiting for the person to come and fix it on the wall. I will show you how that is being done, and then I will measure the distance that I need to put between 2 books. I'm not going to put it like straight, so that it takes a lot of space. I'm going to put it like horizontal, so that it takes a little lesser space, because I don't want it to be so high also, because there are 6 of them that I'm going to fix. Now I need to plan whether it should be 6, or I'll be using only 5 of them and use the other one somewhere else. But yeah, so these are made of metal, these are not made of wood, and they are pretty strong. It came in white color, which is my favorite, and this is something which I was looking for. And the size, as I told you, the length is 50 centimeter, and this is how the width is. And let us fix it to the wall and see how it looks. So yeah, so next what we'll do is we'll sort out the books according to colors, and we will see how many columns are needed. And when the person comes, I will fix all these things and we'll arrange it in the book. So this is exactly how it looked like. It had these stickers which I'm now removing. So I'm going to remove all these stickers, and they are pretty good. So I'm going to place them in another part. And the best part about these stickers is that they do not peel off the paint, and I can easily take it off, and the glue is still intact. So I'm going to peel it off from here, and I'm going to put it somewhere else. So this is where I have kept all the stickers. So I've kept it like in a row. This is the only space I could feel that I can keep it neatly. And he just stands and he points out and says everything. So this is how it looks. So this is how I've arranged in a rainbow order. And if you see over here, these things are actually made up of metal, and they are not pretty thick, so you can't actually put a lot of books into it. And if you are looking for something which have to be like child size, you have to keep it like maybe 3 of them together. It comes in a pack of 3. I've got 2 sets, so I've basically got 6 of them, and I've fixed it like this. So I'll just show you the side view. So this is how it is, and these are actually picture display shelves in which you put the picture frame, and then you display it. But I thought it kind of serves the same purpose. So you have seen over here that I've used less number of books on each shelf, like 3 to 4 of them, and I have kind of arranged them in a way that it fits in perfectly. So yeah, this is how it looks.